Hi everyone, welcome to JUMA'S Academy. Today we are going to learn about percentages quantities. On our last video, we learned about percentages. So today we are going to learn about quantities. For example, in number 1, we have been asked what is 15% of 1,800. So 15% of 1,800. 15% percentage means out of 100. So 15 over 100 times 1,800. Of means multiply. So multiplied by 1,800. We cancel the zeros. We remain with 15 times 18. So we do 15 times 18. 8 times 5, 40. 0 carry 4. 8 times 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 15 times 1, 15. We get the answer as 270. In number 2, you have been asked what is 45%? 45% of 300. Percent means over 100. So 45 over 100 times 300. We cancel the zeros. 45 times 3. 5 times 3, 15. Carry 1. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So we get the answer as 135. In number 3, what is 78% of 450 pupils? %, which means over 100 times 450 pupils. We cancel the zeros. We remain with 78 times 45 over 10. 78 times 45. 8 times 5 we get 40. 7 times 5, 35. 35 plus 4, 39. 78 times 4. 8 times 4, that's 2. 7 times 4, 28, 31. 7 times 4, 28. 28 plus 3, 31. So 9 plus 2, 11. 5. We get 3,510 over 10. So we get 351 pupils. Number 4, the question is asking, Kyoko was given 1,800 shillings. He spent 5% of the money. How much was he left with? He was given 1,800 shillings. At first, the money was 1,800. So which means 100%, which is the total amount of money, represents 1,800. And you are told he spent 5% of the money. So he spent 5% of this 100%. So 100% minus 5%. You borrow 1 from 10, you remain with 9. 10 minus 5, you get 5. You drop 9. 95%. So he was left with 95%. So we want to get it in the amount of money. So what about 95%? We cross multiply. 95 times 1,800 over 100. We cancel the zeros. 1, 2, 1, 2. We remain with 95 times 18. 8 times 5, 40, 0 carry 4. 9 times 8, 72. 72 plus 4, 76. 95 times 1, 95. 6 plus 5, 11. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. So we get, he was left with 1,710 shillings. Number 5, the question asks, during an exam, a pupil did 50 sums and scored 40%. How many questions did the pupil get right? So, the total, which is 100%, represents the first questions, which were 50 sums. And the pupil scored 40%. She scored 40%. Percentages should be on the same side, and the total number should be on the same side. The pupil scored 40%. How many questions did the pupil get right? So we cross multiply 40 times 50 over 100. We cancel the zeros. 4 times 5 we get 20. So the pupil got 20 questions right. 20 questions right out of the 50 sums. Number 6, the question is asking, a girl had 30 pencils. 6 of them got lost. What percentage of the pencils was she left with? So the girl at first, she had 30 pencils, which is 100%, represents 30 pencils. Six of them got lost. So 30 minus 6, so that you can get the lost ones. 10 minus 6, 4. 2 minus 0, 2. So 24 pencils. She was left with 24 pencils. So 24 pencils she was left with. And we were asked what percentage of the pencils was she left with. So we have already gotten the total number of pencils she was left with. So we cross multiply. 100% times 24 over 30. We cancel the zeros. 10 times 24, we get 240 over 3. By 3, 1. By 3, 8. So we get 80%. 80% of the she was left with 80% of the pencils.